Good morning, children. Last classes now we have discussed about refractive index. Refractive index, that is known as the speed of light in medium 1 with respect to medium 2. Yeah, the angle of incidence sin I by sin r is equal to a constant is known as refractive index. Today now discuss about reflection of light by lens. The working of lens is based on the refraction of light. When the ray passes through its lens is a piece of a transparent glass bounded by two spherical surfaces. There are two types of lens. One have convex lens and another have concave lens. Convex lens is known as converging lens and concave lens is known as diverging lens. When the light passes through it, it can be converged at the point on a principal axis is known as focus, and when light passes through a concave lens, it becomes to be a diverge. After refraction, it can be diverged. So it is known as diverging lens. Convex lens, a lens is a thick at the center and but the thin at the edges. The two bonded surface of glass, middle portion have thick but edges have thin. Such lenses are known as convex lens. It is also known as converging lens. And concave lens, a lens is thin in middle portion and but the thick at both edges. Two bonded glass surface, middle portion have thin but edges have thick. Such type of lens is known as concave lens. So the two type of lens, convex lens is known as converging lens and concave lens is known as diverging lens. Both lenses discuss about the different parts of the lens. Now discuss about some important parts of the lens. First of all, optical center. The center point of the lens is known as optical center. Any midpoint of the lens which is the line passes through the principal axis, such points are known as optical center. Second, principal axis, a line passing through the optical center of the lens and perpendicular to the both faces of lens are called principal axis. The straight line which passes through the optical center of lens in both sides, such lines are known as principal axis. Third is known as focal length. The distance between optical center and principal focus of the lens is known as focal length. It is denoted by a small f. So they are more important parts: focal length, principal axis and optical center. Radius of curvature, distance between radius from the optical center is known as a radius of curvature. It is denoted by a small r. It is also the point on the principal axis is known as 2f. Some important rules of obtaining the image formation by the convex lens. Convex lens, how to image form. So three rules have given, two important rules to image formation. First of rules, a ray of light which is passing through the principal axis of convex lens and passes through its focus after refraction. This is the first rules. When a ray parallel to the principal axis after converging passing through the focus. This is the first rules. Second rules, a ray of light passes through the optical center of convex lens goes straight after refraction through the lens. Any ray passing through the optical center of the lens does not be deviated. It can be passed through in a straight line. Second rules. Third, a ray of light passes through the focus of convex lens becomes to parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the lens. That means a ray passing through the focus after refraction parallel to the principal axis of convex lens. So three rules are most important to the image formation. First, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, and second, a ray passing through the optical center does not be deviated, and third, a ray passing through the focus after refraction parallel to the principal axis. Two rays are intersecting at the point on the principal axis, image will be formed. So it is a very important, the three rules. First, a parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, a ray passing through the optical center does not be deviated, and a ray passing through the focus after refraction parallel to the principal axis. Now discuss about formation of different type of the image by convex lens. In convex lens, have 6 type of image will be formed. Different position of object, different position of image will be formed. So the first condition, when the object at infinity, the both rays, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus and a ray passing through the optical center, both rays are meet at the point, the image will be formed. So the image will be formed at the focus, real, inverted and much smaller than object. First condition, when the object at infinity, image will be formed at the focus, real, inverted and much smaller. Second condition, when the object beyond the 2f, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, another ray passing through the optical center, both rays are intersecting between f and 2f, an image will be formed between f and 2f, real, inverted and smaller than object. Two rules. First rules, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, another ray rules passing through the focus, both are intersecting between f and 2f, image will be formed, real, inverted and smaller than object. Third condition, when the object at 2f, and when the object at 2f, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus and another ray passing through the optical center, both rays are intersecting behind the mirror, behind the lens at the 2f. So the image will be formed at 2f, real, inverted and same size. So object, when the object at 2f, image will be formed at 2f, real, inverted and same size. Fourth condition, when the object between f and 2f, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, another ray passing through the optical center, both rays are meet beyond the center of curvature, beyond the 2f, the image will be formed beyond the 2f, real, inverted and larger than object. That means magnification is more than 1. And fifth condition, when the object at f, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, another ray passing through the optical center, both rays are parallel to each other. So the image will be formed at infinity, real, inverted and highly enlarged. When the object at focus, image will be formed at infinity. When the object at infinity, image will be formed at the focus. Always remember. And the last condition is most important. When the object between optical center and focus, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, another ray passing through the optical center, both are diverged to each other. So both rays are virtually meet together behind the object. So image will be formed in same side behind the object, virtual, erect and larger than object. So the fifth condition, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th conditions have real image, and 6th condition, when the object between optical center and focus, image will form virtual, erect and larger than object. Only one condition having virtual image and other 5 conditions have real image. Now use of convex lens. Convex lens are used for making of a simple camera. Second, convex lens are used for magnifying glass. Third, convex lens are used for making microscope, telescope, periscope, etc. Convex lens are all used to the spectacles for their correction of defect of vision. So some important uses of convex lens. Today now discuss about the rules of next topics, rules of image formed by the concave lens. Some important rules, just like in convex lens, the rules of image formation in concave lens also a ray parallel to the principal axis after diverging passing through the focus. First rules. Second, when the ray passing through the optical center does not be deviated, it passes through the straight line. And third, a ray passing through the focus parallel to the principal axis. So the rules of image formed by the concave lens, just like in convex lens, to form the image. First, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus. Second, a ray passing through the optical center does not be deviated, it is always straight line, and a ray passing through the focus after refraction parallel to the principal axis. Now next, the image formation of concave lens. Only one condition is having the image formation. Image formation of a concave lens. They have only two conditions having the image formation of concave lens. First, when the object between optical center and infinity, the image will be formed between optical center and focus. Same side, virtual, erect and smaller than object. Second, when the object at infinity, the image will be formed at the focus, virtual, erect and diminished. So they have only two conditions of concave mirrors to image form. Both conditions having virtual, erect and diminished. Use of concave lens. Concave lenses are used for the spectacles to correct the defect of vision. Second, the concave lenses are used for the Galilean telescope. Of concave lenses are used to the wide angle hole in door. So 4 condition uses of concave lens. So image formation of concave lens and convex lens are more important to solve the numerical based on to justify their answer. 5 condition of concave lens and 5 condition of convex lens and 2 conditions of concave lens to form the image.